Namaskar. Let me introduce myself. I am Kharat Vaibhav Bhimrao. I belongs to Pune district, Maharashtra, and I am pursuing my master in pharmaceutical chemistry from UMAP Samaj College of Pharmacy, Nasik, Pune University. I would like to give so many thanks to the Dr. Shekhar Mande sir, Director General CSIR, and also to the Dr. Narhari Shastri, Director of CSIR NIST Jorat, and also to the all the coordinator and mentor associated with that CSISRT program 2020. I am going to talk on the topic of self-reliant India, that is Atmanirbhar Bharat, and we know it's time limited, and I want to discussing briefly. And the self-reliant India is a vision of Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, and that announcement of Self India mission was in 15 May 2020 by our Prime Minister, and our Finance Minister also announced that all the economic packages to develop our strong economy or help all our industrial or agriculture sector. And we know the reason for that mission of self-reliant India, why that started. One is our economy affected by due to the COVID-19 pandemic, and another reason that is Galwan Valley crisis in between China and India on 15 June 2020, and in which our 21 approximately our 21 soldier martyred in that crisis. And Indian government decided to ban all the Chinese product, boycott all the Chinese product or their app, and started our own production, and it's a very good thing. And I want to share that in Indian government, our finance minister announced that 20 lakh crore package to build our economy strong or for self-reliant India. It is equivalent to the 10% of our GDP or our Indian GDP. And I want to also discuss the five main pillars of self-reliant India. And that pillars, one is economy, and second is infrastructure, third is the system, fourth is a vibrant demography, and fifth is a demand. And I want also discuss that five phases of Atmanirbhar Bharat, that is self-reliant India. Which mean that phases of that Atmanirbhar Bharat? Phase 1, that is a business including MSME, and the second poor including migrant and farmer, and third is agriculture, fourth is a new horizon of growth, and fifth is government reforms and enablers. And for all that phases, government started step by step and declared some packages for that. We also share the some success story of that self-reliant India program. It's very happy to announce that India, before COVID-19, India have zero production of PPE kits, personal protection equipment kits. But when India started self-reliant mission, India produced 2 lakh per day PPE kits, and India is the second world largest country in production of PPE kits. It's a very good thing. And also our chief executive officer of Jio Reliance, Mukesh Ambani sir, also announced that we will start our 5G network. And Indian government also started production of green energy, that is a solar energy. And also some example, there is not time, it's a time limit, so I never want to discuss all this example. And I also request to all of you, that is please, I support vocal for local, boycott Chinese product, let contributes towards Atmanirbhar Bharat, and be Indian, buy Indian, and that now we will help India recover. Thank you so much. Please support for Atmanirbhar Bharat, and thank you so much. Jai Hind.